Welcome to the delicious kitchen. Lovely's sharing the best way to prepare your Ewa Agoyin. You need to prepare your beans this way. It is stress-free, it is perfect, and you know what? Tasted absolutely delicious. If you love this stew, that's with the next upload. So remember to follow, remember to comment, remember to share so that you will not forget. Let's dive into it, lovelies. What I have here is my black eye pears I'll be using. Now white beans I get, that is what I have at home. If you have olonyi or you have shokoto, the white beans at home, perfect for it. But this one too, if you have it, no problem. Soak it for about 2 hours. Yes, you can see I poured water over it, allowed the water to cover it well, and I left it for 2 hours. After 2 hours, you can see it has soaked the water, and this will reduce the cooking time. Yes, it will reduce the cooking time. I drained the remaining water in it, poured it into a pot I'll be using. I've already boiled water with a kettle. This is also another great idea. It's very quick. So I poured the hot water on top of this beans. I poured it in on top of it, and I just want to parboil it. So I'm going to allow it to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. So this has been boiling for about 3 minutes, and it's now time to take it down. I'm going to drain the water and allow some fresh water to rinse it. That's what I'm going to do. Look at the water I drained from it. I just wanted you to see it. After draining this, you can see how beautiful the beans looks already. So I'm just going to pour fresh water on it to allow it to be well washed. Now it's ready. I'm going to pour another boiled water on top of it. It is quick. Use this idea, you will love it. What I have here is just an optional, but I don't want to do it off camera. I used a little bit of cow. If you don't like it, leave it, skip it, no problem. Cover it and cook. This has been cooking for about 30 minutes. Now I opened it and I tested it. Lovelies, it's almost done. Not fully soft up to the taste it has to be. It's now time to add diced onion into it. Onion and beans works hand in hand. So I mixed it a bit together before continue to cook. You can see I still have some water at the down of the pot. If the water you're using is already dried, add some water. Now cover and cook till done. Lovely, this is done already. I added some salt to it and I still covered for about 5 minutes. Yes, now it's ready. Now get your spatula and mash it. But to get it much easier, get your mixer. It is very quick and you will get perfect texture of your Agoyin beans. Yes. Do you want to see the best way to prepare your Agoyin sauce? That is going to be the next upload. Remember to share this so that you will not miss the next upload. Remember to share, leave a comment, let me know where you're watching me from. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.